not all overtime qualifies in several ways. We're going to go over the first one right now, and that is only overtime defined by the Fair Labor Standards Act qualifies as overtime for tax-free overtime. What that basically means is during a 7-day week, a consistent 7-day week established by the employer, if an employee works over 40 hours during that week, you have to pay them time and a half. That's 1.5 times their regular pay rate for those hours over 40. That's how it works. That's the overtime that qualifies. Does not include holiday premiums. If you get paid double time for holidays, you don't get that. If you get paid time and a half for holidays, you don't get that. Only over 40 hours during the work week. It does not include double time, as I said. It does not include union negotiated rates. Any negotiated rates with a union do not qualify, just the Fair Labor Standards Act hours. So you got to make that clear. A lot of accounting for 2025, folks have been tracking that all in one account, and it's making a mess for quite a few employers. All right, qualified overtime's deductible. Here's the second limit for overtime I mentioned earlier. Only the premium of the Fair Labor Standards Act overtime is deductible, and that's half of the time and a half, or you take your overtime, the amount earned on overtime earned during the year, and you divide it by 3.